Hi, welcome back to DevSamurai channel. Today we'll explore the concept of sprints and how ProductGo can help you plan and execute sprints more effectively. Let's start with the definition of a sprint. In Agile software development and Scrum framework, a sprint is a time-boxed period during which specific work is completed and made ready for review. It begins with a planning meeting, where the product owner and development team agree on the work to be accomplished. Here are the purposes of a sprint. Sprints help teams to focus on a small set of tasks for a short period, which can lead to increased productivity. Sprint planning requires teams to communicate and collaborate regularly, which can help to improve team relationships and overall project success. Sprints allow teams to adapt to changes in requirements or priorities more easily. Sprint reviews provide teams with early feedback on their work, which can help to identify and address any problems early on. Now let's explore how User Story Map by ProductGo can enhance your sprint planning process. ProductGo is a comprehensive project management tool that offers three main features: story maps for Jira projects and Agile boards, portfolio boards for Jira, and product roadmaps with user journey visualization. This is how to use User Story Map by ProductGo for sprint planning. Firstly, set up a project in ProductGo. Create a new Scrum project in Jira software or continue using an existing project. Then, download ProductGo from the Atlassian marketplace. Define sprint goals and epic steps using the Story Map feature. Set overarching goals for the project and break them down into smaller steps or epics. Next, create a sprint backlog by breaking down the epic steps into user stories. Prioritize and estimate story points to plan and prioritize work effectively. After that, plan and allocate sprints by dragging and dropping user stories into the intended sprint. Consider story points and assignees to ensure efficient resource allocation. Finally, start the sprint and update the progress directly on the story map. This keeps everyone on the same page and facilitates seamless collaboration. And that's all about sprint and Agile development and how to use User Story Map by ProductGo for sprint planning. Try out our ProductGo app now on the Atlassian marketplace. Thanks for watching this video.